Good afternoon, everybody. Well, it's afternoon here. You might be watching this at midnight, so it might be morning to you. But we have the BPM Microsystems 1710 out. We have a package, so you can tell what it's going to be. I keep finding these. The more I get, the better it is. More capabilities. I know these are for older devices. They're kind of worthless unless you have that device or a call for the device. So they don't, people seem to be wanting a whole lot of money for some adapters, and there's just no demand for it. I mean, $25, $30, this can sit in the drawer of adapters for 2-3 years before I need it, but I'm not going to spend $300-400 on one that's going to sit forever. I mean, if there was a need to do a couple hundred chips or something of something real, one of these rare chips, that's another thing. But for just having one in stock, $25-30, that's all. So let's inspect this one. Looks like it's in pretty decent shape. These are for Actel FPGAs. It's hard to get a good focus on the little pins there. Socket number. Looks like all the transistors are intact. For some reason it's not wanting to focus on. Try it out there. My lens is clean. It's weird. But let's plug this in and see what she does. I need to get a better camera that's hooked up to the computer. But let's zoom back out. I'll power that up. Are we plugged in? No, we're not. Now we are. And let's light up the BPM software. Let's see how many counts this has. And of course I will back this one up. Okay, we are in demo mode. Configure. It's not right. Ah, wrong version. Uh-oh, I got to, I installed the wrong version when I updated. Be right back. Okay, I didn't have the wrong version installed. I just had an instance already running, I believe. I didn't shut it down. It should light up this time. There it is. Now it detects it as an SM3F-132QN-ACT. It looks like that's about right. Tools. Socket module counter. This has had 144 insertions, so pretty low use. Print screen. And we will save that to the email. Or save it. Then I'll upload it to the blog. And I'll post the blog info in the description. We thank you for watching. And all the ID information on these is in this little EEPROM right there. It's a 93C46. So, I think I have my camera on ultra wide. That's why it's not focusing. So, my bad. But that is, this one supports, I don't remember how many chips. It's like 15, 20 chips. So, it'll go in the drawer with the other adapters. So we will catch y'all later. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Visit the blog. It has way more information than I do on my YouTube. Catch y'all later.